Good day guys, I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation configuration for some basic and open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video we gonna teach you on how do you configure the Confbridge on the Vicibox 12. Okay, so for today you can get the Vicidial, you can go to the vicidial.org /docs so that you can able to see and look up actually you can check here if they have some updates on the VGDIA configuration and settings updates, and so we can so you can able to do that. Okay, so for today we gonna update you on how to configure the Confbridge. As you can see, the update on Confbridge is last January 8th 2025. So gonna go to the Confbridge. Okay, as I mentioned on the update SBN for the Confbridge. Okay, so as of SBN revision 3894 January 6, 2025, the below code configuration changes has all been integrated in the code base with asterisk 18 and higher. So for non-new install, you still need to some manual config and changes. So okay, so for now, and the Confbridge has been used by several companies in production for over a year now. Yeah, it's a stable. Confbridge support requires asterisk 16 or higher. Okay, so script and code base. Okay, background 19 years. Okay. Okay, so we are using asterisk 16. So let's check our dialer. So this is our okay. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we are using a Vicibox 12 0.1. Okay. And then I will teach you on how to configure the Confbridge. Okay. So back here. So from here, you need to double check all this following. Actually, um, the code base on the web and asterisk is already updated because of the latest SBN we are using. So our SBN we are using right now, let me log in. Let's check our SBN. So our SBN should be uh 3908. Okay, so we are on, actually so we're still on the latest one, 3908 SBN. Okay, and then upon the update is 3894 last January 6. So all the web base, all the web updates and asterisk update is already there. So but we need to double check the following. For example, this one, the Confbridge extension. So we need to just copy this one. Okay, go here. So you can go nano. For my editor, I'm using always nano. Okay, so we need to double check those defaults. Okay, if the Confbridge is here, so upon checking here, the Confbridge config is not, yeah, I think it's here already. As you can see, Confbridge extension, it's very good, very good. So it's already populated. Okay, so let me check my screen if it's above Confbridge. As you can see, the Confbridge is not available on here. Okay, so I think we only need to update because the config is there already. How about this one? So we need to double check. Okay, nano. I'm using editor nano. Then control B. Yeah, it's already there. And then next, so we need to check also this one. Okay, as you can see from here, we don't have yet the file. Okay, we don't have yet this one. So you need to copy from here. Okay, just copy. Okay. Okay. But you need to wait, let me double check my file. Okay. Don't worry, I will make a copy also so that you can able to copy and paste. Confbridge. What will be the extension? Okay. I don't have, I think. Okay, call agent, that's all. Ah, yeah, okay. So the Confbridge, just copy. Okay, so go back here. So you can paste over here. Okay. Yes, we do is copy and paste. Okay. So just copy and paste the following. After that, you can save, then exit. Okay, so next we have done all that. So we need to check this one, the manager comp. Okay. Manager at the bottom. So meet me Confbridge, meet me Confbridge. Let me double check the requirements. Okay, meet me Confbridge is here. Reporting. Okay. Yeah, it's there already. Okay, how about this one? The modules. Modules.com. Oops, why is like this one? What is that? Is no load. No load. It's a no load rest timing. Let me check. Possible if here. Yeah, if it's not yet, you can paste here. Okay. Okay, then save. Okay, the next will be okay. So this one, gonna check it. This one. Okay, so we don't need to patch this one. Okay, so we need to check if the conference bridge is already on our system. So go back on our dialer, admin, conference, then show bridge conference. Okay, so as you can see, we don't have yet a bridge conference over here. So we need to add those bridge conference number. Okay, so let me check and run this one. Maybe it's already there. We need to do some command. Okay, upon checking is not. So we can now skip this one. Okay, just skip all this one. All we need to do this one is a very one important. So you need to copy from here. Okay, all the way from here. Copy. Then go back here. So just type MySQL. And then use the database asterisk. And then just paste here the code. Okay. And then just press enter. Okay, so we have, they said we have 300 records at it without error. So you can double check in here. If I refresh this one, okay, as you can see, the data or the uh, default one is loaded. So, and now the next step should be, we need to update the IP address matching with our IP address, this one. Okay, okay, dyan I exit this one. Let me okay, let me reconnect. Okay, okay, so that to update the IP, so double check. So I just get this one IP. Okay, yes. So old IP address. So the IP address of the uh, Confbridge. Okay. So show Confbridge. So this one 10.10.10.17. So old IP is 10.10.10.17. Enter. And then default IP, server IP, submit. So if I go back over here, if I hit the refresh, voila. Okay, as you can see, our IP address has been updated. Okay, so after that IP address updated, so we have done on here. Okay, so we need to check again, go back here. So we need to add the variable C. Okay, so you need to nano studio client. As you can see over here, we need to add the C, or we can able to put over here. Okay, enter, and then save. And then after that, you can check this one. You can check this on the cron tab, but we can try to run debug. Okay, so let's check. Hope it will connect. Still connect. So let's check the cron tab. Under the cron tab, we need this, we need that. What is the command again? Is the ascomp.pl. Okay, osdb. Okay, I can find where. Okay, so you can see this one. It's already here. I see already. Ascomp. I think, yeah, conference validator. So maybe it's already upload and fix the issue. Okay, I just save. If I check my screen, ls. Okay, so you can see our comp updated is loaded. So we can try now. Hope we see the it's already running 18. I'm sorry about this, but I'm sorry about for the asterisk. I'm already running 18. So okay, I'm sorry about that. So we are on 18 already. Okay. Okay, that's very good. I'm sorry about that. I didn't know it. And then lastly, you need to update your servers. Okay, modify the server, update the meet.me, update this one, Confbridge 2. Okay, rebuild, stay default, only the Confbridge. Okay, once it's updated, you can now try to log in. So I'm gonna use incognito. Okay, then agent. Okay, let's see. So as you can see, I'm the only participants in conference. Okay, so it means our IP is our bridge configuration is successfully config. Okay, so hope you are enjoying our video. As you can see here, join software based bridge. Okay, you only participant on this conference for the Confbridge once you are using. For the meet me, you only first on this conference, but for Confbridge, you only participant on this conference. Okay guys, hope you are enjoying our video for today. So this is once again, this is HBT tutorial, your basic setup for installation for some open source application. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Hope don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you're always updated on our latest video. Thank you guys and bye bye.